Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to explain how to fix Android Studio Emulator not working issue. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, check AVD or Android Virtual Device setting. This is very important to make sure your virtual device is set up correctly with the right system. If this isn't done properly, the emulator may not start or may crash during testing. Another way is to wipe data off the emulator. Sometimes the emulator gets stuck or frozen because of corrupted old data. Deleting the old data gives it a fresh start, which often solves loading problems. And update Android Studio and emulator. Running outdated version of the Android Studio or the emulator can cause compatibility issues or bugs. Keeping everything updated ensures smoother performance and fewer crashes. And lastly, increase RAM and GPU setting. This is just an optional, alright? So if the emulator runs slow or it won't start, increasing the RAM and adjusting GPU setting can improve speed and fix boot issues, especially on lower end computers. So that's it. Each of these fixes plays a key role in making sure your Android emulator works smoothly so you can focus on building and testing your apps without a problem. So thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you out.